kids, good afternoon. Welcome back to our math online class. This is teacher LM. Okay, so before we will proceed to our lesson for this afternoon, let's have a short review first about the number that we studied this morning. Okay, so this morning we studied number 43. Okay, do you still remember how to spell 43? Alright, so 43 I spell Fortree. 43. Alright, so this afternoon class, we are going to learn number 44. Okay, so this is number 44. So let's count together the fruit if it's really 44. Everybody count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay, so there are 44 fruits are there. Now let's spell number 44, class. Okay, 44 I spell Fortyfour. 44. Right. Now, let's circle and find number 44. Okay? So let's circle and find number 44. First, we have there 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 844 in this screen. Okay, amazing. Now, let's spell again one more time number 44. Okay, class, spell with me. 44, I spell Fortyfour. 44. Okay, great. I hope you are now familiar how to spell the number 44. Okay, so in this activity class, okay, we are going to match the number, okay, match the number to the correct number words, okay? So everyone, the first word is, the first number is 41, 42, 43, and 44. Now let's find out which of the words is number 41. Okay, ready? So 41, okay, there, 42, there, 45, there, 43, sorry, and 44 is there. Okay, class? So, again, let's read the number word. This one is 41, 42, 43, and 44. Okay? So, I hope you are now familiar with the numbers from 41 to 44. Alright, so that would be all for this afternoon class. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to check our portfolio for the additional worksheets for today. And don't forget also to do your printed worksheets. Goodbye, class, and see you again tomorrow.